Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your Ian. It's your truly Ian person. Today, I'm back again, guys, with another one of our most amazing video that's really gonna change your trading style, guys. Today, I want to talk about how can you be able to enter and exit a trade for you to be able to stay away from losses, guys. Guys, if you've been in forex industry for such a long period of time, you know from the beginning of your journey, one of the most thing that you've been facing a lot as a beginner was how to enter and exit a trade. This is one of the most saddest thing that I've been facing until I came into the way I could be entering a trade, guys. So today I want you to stick into the end of the video because this video is really gonna change your trading style, because most of the time we always know where to end. Most of the time we always know how to analyze the direction of trade. We know everything, but when it comes to the time of entering, bro, it's really something that is very hard, because most of the time you enter trade, but the moment you enter, the market start going against you. Or some of the time whereby the moment you exit that trade, the market start going into your direction. So I want to show you guys how you can be able to enter, place your stop loss, and just sit and be patient and wait and see how the market will move until your TP, guys. So I urge you to go down there and tap onto the subscribe button, so whenever I'll be releasing any video, guys, you'll be the first person to come and watch this video. So for now, let's just dive in. So guys, I want to talk about, there's a pair which are already about to start trading. If you've been following for such a long period of time, you know I like trading Euro USD, GBP, USDCHF, because these are most of trending pair which is right now trending in 2025, and I see you'll be able to make more money in it by the end of 2025. So let's first start with GBP USD, guys. GBP USD, let's first see what is happening. We are today, I'm not here to analyze, but I just want to show you how you can be able to enter into this trade, because this trade is really going for such of one of most, the trade is just gonna, it's just about to start trending, and it's really gonna trend for such a long period of time. So if you are to be trading this GBP USD, you're really gonna be able to make a lot of money, and you can be able to pass your profit with this kind of pairs, guys. So there, I see there are more volatility, there are very few pullbacks. That's really gonna be able to make you make such a lot amount of money. So guys, as you can see, last time I had talked about GBP USD. Let me first remove this one. Talk about GBP USD. I talk about that, guys. The reason, the way I always enter is just pretty simple. I always come and draw some major trend line whereby the markets always come and tap in, and before going tap and goes. This is how I draw. This was the first touch, second touch, I waited for the third touch. This is how I always do. You know, the third touch of the trend is the one which does a trick, and it's the one who let the market to start going all the way to its direction, guys. So what I did was just pretty simple. I came into a daily time frame. I connected this two dot, just like this, guys. These two dot, this was first touch, second touch, then the market came for the third touch, and then I waited for that third touch. I came into a 4 hour, guys. Just pretty simple. You, as you guys could see, how the third touch of the trend line is really much and more impactful. This was the first, the second. Here you see how the market can manipulate you. The market came here, tried to shy away. Most of the people know they started entering from this year out, but I was pretty patient, because I know the third touch of the trend line always like doing a trade, guys. So when the market pull back again, you see the market came and stopped some of the people whereby they had already entered from this side. Me, I waited, then I started seeing some rejection from here. Then pretty much when I started seeing rejection, I came into 1 hour course, guys. I'm going to show you entry criteria whereby even you're having a small account like $20-50, you can be able to make such amount of money from it. Which is pretty simple. I started seeing when the market came and fake out, started acting like to break here. I came into a 4 hour. I saw like this one is just like a kind of a rejection, guys. Here in a 4 hour just kind of rejection, but in a 4 hour, I mean in a 1 hour, it shows a very bullish confirmation, guys. So it was pretty much simple. I waited. This was the first, as you guys could see, this was the first candlestick. I waited for the second candlestick to even be bullish, guys. Then it was pretty simple. I came and put my entry here. Then my stop loss I always put below this structure. I can't put just below here, because the market can easily come and stop me. I look for the most previous low, then I put it below it. As you can see, this my stop loss below this below this low here. If I could put into a 4 hours, you could see much more clearer. My stop was below this structure here. You see, this whereby you cannot be patient. If you enter the market pulls up to around here, you are still being patient because you know your stop loss it's much huge, whereby you can stay away from the market for such a long period of time and the market won't stop you hard. So when I entered, the market came and then give me a very bullish engulfing into a 4 hour, guys, as you could see. Let me first remove this one, and then I started looking for another more entry, guys. As you could see, in the 4 hour, the market came and make a W. As you could see, our neckline was somewhere here. Our neckline is just like here. Our neckline is here, guys. As you could see, our neckline is here. Pretty much simple. Our neckline is here, guys. You guys could see when the market came and make a W, and then it broke, give us a bullish engulfing. Our neckline is here. So guys, this is another second entry that I can see, and I still see the market is about to pull back for it, but because right now you can enter from here. The market right now is at 100% retracement, whereby the market can just easily pull back all the way to back. But what I can see, the market is still gonna come and pull back once more here before it continue to another prime target, which is here, guys. So what I'm seeing, it's pretty much simple. Wait for the market to pull back here once more, then take it all the way to the most nearest TP, which is at around 1.35700. This is my first TP, guys, where I'm gonna be able to take some of the profit. I take always 50% of my profit. This is how I always exit. I don't just exit the trade just anyhow. When the market reach to my TP, I take 50% of my profit, break my end to break even, and then I will just be trailing my stop. When the market breaks above, I bring from the break even, I bring my stop loss above break even with some pips again, whereby now even if the market comes down, I won't be able to make any losses, or I won't be able to go without anything. At least I'll be able to go with some money into my pocket. This is how you can be able to make so much amount of money. Because guys, my overall TP is up to here, whereby this is my second TP, guys. My second TP is at around 1.3786 3.378668 So guys, you cannot like this is how I always trade as a swing trader, guys. So this is how I always trade. Just pretty much simple. I'll wait for the market to again pull back here. That's how you can be able to flip a small account into a to make a lot of money just without you making any kind of loss, mostly when the market is already trending, guys. Imagine my first TP, my first entry is here, my second entry, I'll wait for the market to pull here. I put then my stop loss below the structure somewhere here. Then when the market gets here, I take some of the profit, bring my entry to break even. The market breaks above, enter more entries until the market reach to my end. By the time the market reach to my overall TP, I had already make so much amount of money, whereby I can stay again for such good period of time before going back into the market, guys. So let's go into another pair which is also trending. This is Euro USD. I know for such a long period of time, Euro USD, people that have been making so much losses from Euro USD, but me, I was just waiting for that good entry, guys, that good entry criteria, because Euro USD is one of the most pair whereby right now it's really trending, guys. What just it's pretty much simple for me to enter Euro USD. I draw this kind of trend, I draw this trend line, but I knew this trend line was really not gonna come, because if you could see from the Fibonacci Fib swing low to swing high, we could see the market came and got stuck into this zone of 50 pip. So what just pretty much simple, when the market now I saw this zone is really holding it very and very strong, I'll always like coming into now 4 hours, guys. I'm just trying to show you guys how I always enter in the market, but I'm not showing you guys my analysis, because when I'm analyzing my trade, I start from a monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour. But when I want to enter a trade, I just go from a daily and 4 hour, and then sometimes 1 hour if I want to get the most immediate trend. So guys, what just pretty much simple, when the market, as you guys could see, always the third pullback always also does a trick. This was the first pullback. The market came to the second pullback. When the market came into a third pullback, this one I know this market is about to start trending, guys. The only thing I did was just pretty much simple. You know, I like using a counter trend line break. When I draw my counter trend line, the market breaks with the bullish engulfing in forward this way, but I come and then jump into this trade, guys. It was just pretty much simple. When the market came into this fourth, I mean the third pullback, I draw my counter trend line, as you could see, and this counter trend line is also matching with this kind of a demand zone. With this a demand zone, the market came and break it with a bullish engulfing, guys. I never hesitated to come and enter into this trade because I know this trade is matching with my entry criteria, guys. So what's pretty much simple, I came and jump onto this trade somewhere here when the market closed in the 4 hour. My stop loss below the structure, as you could see, and right now I'm into a profit. So my first TP is always gonna be at 100%. When the market gets here, I take some of my profit, bring my entry to break even, then I let the rest of the market to run, guys. So it is my first TP, guys. As you could see, this is a very strong zone whereby if you are just trying to joke, the market can come and get here and then pull back again to your entry before you start continuing. This is how a string trading works. The market can sometimes go to your entry, even take you back to a loss, and then still go back to your overall TP. So if you want to be a swing trader, the only thing you can do is just how to be able to learn to be delayed gratification, guys. If you can't be able to learn how to be delayed, how you be able to be patient and wait for that good trades, for that good exit, bro, you won't be able to make any money as a swing trader, guys. So this is what I've been learning for such a long period of time. The market get to my first TP, take some of the profit, bring my entry to break even, then I'll be trailing my stop until it reach to my overall TP, guys. So I don't see much. If you come to a 4 hour, I can see the market, like, it's also, I can see the market might or might not come and tap onto this here once more before it continue with another before it continues with this kind of entry, guys. So let's just be patient and wait. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm back again. Sorry for that inconvenience. So let's just be patient and wait. If the market pulls back here again, this way I can come and jump onto it. We don't just jump in, I'll wait for a bullish engulfing bounce. That's whereby you can now enter into this trade and then rally it all the way to its overall TP. So where is my overall TP, guys? My overall TP is really very far. But this is my first TP, my second TP, then my overall TP, where I'm seeing this market is going, it's far, it's up to around 1.2300. If I am to put this over like 670 pips to catch, guys. So if you can be able to catch this trade from here, the market reach here, you enter more. By the time the market reach your overall TP, you have to really make so much amount of money into this trade, whereby just only one trade like this one can make you pass your profit from just there and then, guys. So this is what I'm seeing in Euro USD and how I always enter the market. Let's go to another one, which is USDCHF. USDCHF is about to start trending. It's been consolidating for like 2-3 weeks, but now it is back, guys. USDCHF is back, and I'm ready into this trade, guys. USDCHF was just pretty much simple. What was happening in USDCHF? Drew some I came and drew my Fibonacci. I could see the market came here. The market kept on holding into a zone between 61.8 and then 50% Fib. This way I knew, and then this one was also going with my major trend line. As you guys, I like using a major trend line. You guys could see this one and the 50 Fib with the trend line and the support, and the resistance, they were all matching, which shows that this market is at a very strong zone. This is a kind of zone whereby the moment if you get a trade from it, you can just hold it until the TP, guys, because this is whereby the market always get that momentum to start going into that direction. As you guys could see, the market has been stopping people here for such a long period of time. People were buying, selling, but I was just patiently waiting for that good entry, guys. You guys could see when the market came and touch this trend line, it dropped. The market came and touch it, it dropped. So this was the third touch of the trend line, as it always like doing a trick, or just pretty much simple. I jump into a 4 hour when I had already drawn my major trend line. You guys could see, if I try even to draw my Fibonacci fruit from swing high to swing low, you guys could see this 50 pip is holding the market. If I'm to first move this one, yeah, you guys could see 50 pip was holding the market for such a long period of time, guys. So what just pretty much simple. What I did, when I know now what the market is about to do, pretty much simple. In the 4 hour, I draw a counter trend line. A counter trend line. The market came and even make for us a double bottom, M, at the 4 hour, as you guys could see here also. As you guys could also see it here, this was just a very nice and easy entry, guys. The market make us a M. The market also broke it and then retested this, whereby I know the market is upgraded to start trending. So I enter here my stop loss just above the structure. Then my first TP is always gonna be here. So this, guys, if I were to go to a daily time, you could see now very much more easier. My stop loss is always gonna be below the structure. My first TP is here because this zone here looks much more strong, and then my second TP, I can pull it all the way to here because this is where the market came and tapped on it and then started going. And then my overall TPs is up to here, guys. My overall TP is up to here, which is like over like 436 pips to hold on to, guys. So this is a very huge amount of pips, whereby just cause in before the market reach here, you are already having over like 3 or 4 entries and some of the profits that you have already taken. So guys, this is what I'm seeing and what I've already entered into the trade. So I'm seeing again the market might pull again somewhere around here. Before I could see the market is about to pull again somewhere here before it continue to drop all the way to its prime target, guys. So just pretty much simple. Wait for the market to go back here, give a bullish engulfing, and then jump onto this trade, guys. So this is what I'm seeing in USDCHF, and how I always like entering into my trade, guys. So guys, I want to give you now one of the most trend that is about to trend, that is Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has been in a long consolidation, guys, and Bitcoin is about to start trending, guys. When we go to a weekly time frame, as you could see, Bitcoin came into this zone. The Bitcoin kept on consolidating. So what I'm seeing, my TP for Bitcoin is already here. As I told you, today I'm not here to analyze, I'm just want to show you how I like entering into my trades. So what I'm seeing into Bitcoin, just pretty much simple. I came and draw my trend line, my major trend line, as the way I like doing it. But just pretty much simple, guys. You see the market came by the first touch of the trend line, the second touch of the trend line. So this is the touch of the trend line, whereby it like doing a trick. So I haven't entered this trade, guys. What I'm waiting for this thing, it's simple. I haven't entered this trade. So what I'm waiting for this thing is just more confirmation. I don't just enter trades anyhow, guys. I'm waiting for more confirmation. What am I gonna do? Just pretty much simple. Draw my counter trend lines from like this. This is how you could say the market was holding. When the market tap it goes, the market tap it goes. So the only thing I'm waiting for it is for the market to break above below here. When the market break below, just a small retest, then just take it all the way to its prime target. So this way I will come and jump onto this trade. My entry is gonna be now below this trend line. When the market breaks it with a bullish engulfing, stop loss above the structure, and then just be able to hold onto this trade up to its prime target, guys, which is somewhere here. This over like 1 to 5 risk to reward, whereby if you hold onto, guys, you're gonna make so much amount of money from this trade, guys. Pretty much simple, guys. Trading is really becoming more easy if you know how you can be able to, if you have your plan for your entry criteria and your exit, it becomes much earn more simple. So this is what I'm waiting for this trade, guys. I like being patient, waiting, because the market can just easily come and tap onto here, then boom, all the way to another supply zone. Because we could say another supply zone is somewhere here. Even I already marked it. The market could easily tap onto the trend and then goes above it. So I want to always be staying away. I want to always be staying away from this kind of a fake out. That's why I would like always want the market to break below the below the trend line, down I can start rallying this market into its prime target. So guys, if you will come to the end of the video, and if you really find any value into this kind of knowledge, guys, I urge you to go down there and tap onto the subscribe button, guys. This content I'm making is just mostly to help the beginners, because beginners are facing a lot on how to be able to analyze and then enter, exit a trade, on how to be able to pass that profile. But this trade that I'm showing you guys, if you're able to all onto them, you'll be able to you'll be able to make so much money from profit before the end of 2025, guys. So we have come into the end of the video. It's your truly Ian Pass, and I'll be able to come and then be showing you guys more from what I've learned with my experience in this previous time that I've been into the market, guys. So thank you, and then peace out, guys. Peace out.